Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Asana for project planning, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. Type Asana in the search bar and hit enter. Click on the official Asana website link from the search results. Once on the Asana homepage, locate the sign up button, usually found in the top right corner. Click the sign up button to initiate the registration process. You will be directed to a new page where you can choose to sign up with your email address. Enter your email address in the provided field. After entering your email, click the Get Started button. Asana will send you a confirmation email. Check your email inbox for this message. Open the confirmation email and click on the link provided to verify your account. You will be redirected back to the Asana website to complete your registration. Now, create a password for your account in the designated field. Re-enter your password to confirm it. Once your password is set, click on the Create Account button. You will then be prompted to enter your name. Fill in your first and last name. Next, select your preferred language from the drop-down menu. After that, choose your organization type or indicate if you're an individual user. Click on the Continue button to proceed. Asana may ask if you want to receive tips and updates via email. Choose your preference and click Continue. You may also have the option to invite team members at this stage. You can skip this step if you prefer. After making your choices, you will be taken to your Asana dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the interface, including the sidebar and main task area. To start using Asana for project planning, you can create your first project by clicking the plus New Project button. From here, you can customize your project with a name, description, and other settings. You are now ready to start planning your projects effectively with Asana. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.